guys, welcome back to our channel. In the series of our mock interviews, we just wanted to test the students' intelligence in answering the behavioral questions, because according to the stats, we got to know that 80% of the interviews have been cracked by these freshers who are able to answer behavioral based of questions. So let's see how the students works. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, please come in. Hi, please take your seat.
Thank you.
Can I have your resume? Thank you so much. So your good name?
Pranita.
Pranita. Okay, fine. Okay. So good to see you, Pranita, for the first round of interview for the role of software engineer. So we are seeking for passionate freshers that can aid for our organization to yield the maximum utility. So here at our organization called CBD, we do strive for software products and software services here, and we do have a market age of 10 years. So let's start the round one of interview. So where do you come from?
Varangal.
Varangal. Okay. So to start with, we'll start with your normal self intro, technical questions and behavioral questions. Okay. So can you let me know about your self intro?
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. Myself, Pranita, I am from Varangal. I have completed my graduation in Satavahana University with the stream of BSc Computer Science. I have developed a strong foundation on C#, SQL, HTML, CSS, ASP, ADO. My parents are into agriculture. My family consisting of 5 members. My family is a joint family. We are 3 members of siblings, myself into job seeking, and my brothers are pursuing their studies. With my skills, I developed a website, e-commerce website using HTML and CSS. My short-term goal is to be placed in a reputed company, and my long-term goal is to see myself as a backbone of organization which I was worked, and my habits are playing Sudoku and problem solving skills, cooking, etc. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. That's impressive with your self intro. So you told that there is a website that you have developed so far. So can you elaborate of it? Like, can you give me the details? Like, what are the tools that you have used, and what is the duration? What is your roles and responsibilities in that? So please go on that.
Yes, ma'am. As I told, I have developed a e-commerce website which is cloned like shopping website, which is cloned like Flipkart, Meesho, etc. I'm using tools HTML and CSS. Its duration time is 1 month. I'm played a team leader role, and my team also worked in that. They are helped me a lot of. Responsibilities. We are taking a blueprint of project, and we are elaborating into some discussions into that, which tools are used, which properties like images, which we are used in HTML, the topics and which the team members we are taking a first blueprint of project, and next we are discussing into a cardboard with which tools are used and which properties are used. It is user friendly project. The users can browsing or selecting their options, and it is to very understandable project very easily.
So you told that you are being a team leader.
Yes.
Right? So what are your roles and responsibilities being a team leader in that project that you have taken care?
First of all, I thought to develop a project to user friendly project, and I will discuss to my team members, which I was developed. I have thought in that to develop a project, and they are also giving some suggestions to me, and we have followed the suggestions and make and we are form a group to complete a project in 1 month duration, and later we discussed how roles and responsibility the team member. Someone are into testing, someone are into developing, and someone are into someone are into marketing, that will more efficient to me to work with them.
Okay, fine. So like I want to understand your behavioral kind of way that you are taking. For example, in your project that you have taken care so far. So being a team leader, you have observed a lag from your subordinate or your teammate. So you might have encountered this kind of situations. So how do you face that and how do you address that gap when a certain teammate have been in this way?
Being a team leader, to handle the team members mistake is my responsibility to handle their mistakes. First of all, I understood that mistake is this more efficient or minor mistake to who did the mistake in her way, and I would like to call him privately, because embarrassing him and other team members is not avoiding. And privately, and talk to him to what is the reason due to lack of knowledge or misunderstanding or any time pressure. And next we will move forward into discussion to finding a mistake and how to fix the mistake in our project. To my project are in track. Next, I offer him to my support or assistants to complete project. And after debugging the mistake, I keep an eye on my project as team members are working or not, or any debugs are in their work.
Okay, fine. So seems like you are aspiring to be a team leader, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. So when we hire you, it would be a team lead position itself.
Thank you.
So we'll just see on that. Coming to technical wise, I want to crack two questions. So basic level itself. So can you tell me what is the exception handling concept?
Exception handling is to handle the errors in our projects. We are exception handling in three types. We are using try, catch, and final. And in that exception handling, there are some types like arithmetic exceptions, runtime exceptions, and checking exceptions.
Okay.
Like a runtime exceptions, input output exception, or index out of range, like that. In that we are using try, catch, mostly use try, catch, and a clause finally.
Okay.
A try block will found an error in that, it will not execute the program.
Okay.
It forward to catch. In the catch block, the catch will found a mistake and it gets a output or exception error message in the output.
Okay.
At last finally block, it almost that it plays output to the user.
Okay, fine. So coming to the ways that you have said about the exception handling, it's quite fine. So can you tell me what is an array in just 2-3 sentences?
Okay, ma'am. Array is collection of similar data types. In array, we have an advantage that multiple values are stored in single variable. And in arrays, we have an index-based system. Index start from 0 and end with size -1.
Okay.
And arrays are some three types or more: one-dimensional array, multi-dimensional array, and jagged array. In one-dimensional array, it is in a row format, it contains only rows. And in multi-dimensional array, there is 2D array, 3D array, etc. It is in the form of matrix representation. In this row, we have rows and columns.
Okay.
Initializing rows and columns. In jagged array, we are only number of value of columns, not rows are fixed in jagged array.
Okay, fine. So fine, Pranita, I think the details are fine for the round 1 level of our interview. So as you know, like there will be more 2 rounds in this process. So myself being in a talent acquisition, I'll pass on this information to my team, and they will be in touch with you regarding the next rounds of interview. And any questions that you wanted to ask me?
No.
Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. And thank you for your time for this round. And I'm hoping to see you for the next rounds.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.